the angle of a prism is A. One of its refractive surface is silvered. Light rays falling at an angle of incidence at 2A on the first surface returns back through the same path after suffering reflection at the silvered surface. The refractive index m of the prism is. Okay, we can write this refractive index m, or it is mu also, it is correct. Okay, now let me draw the diagram here. One prism is there. This is the prism. Okay, and the angle of the prism is A. Let me take this is the angle. The angle of the prism is A here. The angle of the prism is A here. And one of its refractive surface is silvered. Apply the one surface is silvered here. I'm going to take this surface as silvered. The light rays falling at an angle of incidence is 2A on the first surface and returns back to the same path after refracting reflection of the at the silvered surface. Okay, and it will be perpendicular to each other. That means it is perpendicular to each other. This is perpendicular to each other. This angle is 90 degree now. Okay, and for this one it is perpendicular, means now the normal rays. This is the normal line of this rays, and a light rays will fall at an angle of, that is a 2A. This is the light ray will fall at an angle of 2A angle. It is I is equal to 2A. Then, if this is a 90 degree and this is A, and we need to find this one, I will go to take that as a X here. Then, you can easily find this one with, to ensure that the light rays are retracting their path for normal on their reflecting surface, then X we can find here, that is X plus A plus 90 degree, which is equal to total all the three angles is equal to 180 degree. Then I can find the value of the X. X is equal to 90 degree minus A here. Then that means this X is equal to 90 minus A. Then this is a perpendicular, this is normal rays. Then this angle is equal to 90 degree. Then what about this angle we need to find? This angle is equal to, that is 90 minus A. Then we get the answer, there is 90, we get the answer 90 minus 90 plus A. 90 will get cancelled, and this angle is equal to, it is A. Then by applying the Snell's law between the incident rays and the refracted ray, then we can write, that is mu is equal to 1 into sine 2A, which is equal to mu times sine A. Okay, the basic mathematics here is sine 2A, we can write it as sine 2A. Sine 2A we can write it as 2 sine A cos A. 2 sine A cos A. By substituting this one, we get mu is equal to sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A, which is equal to mu sine A. If I want to get cancelled sine A and sine here, then we get the value, that is mu is equal to 2 cos A is the answer. This we can see in the option number B. 2 cos A, option B is the right answer.